Very good morning once again. In this second welding process, we are going to discuss about a stud welding, or it is also known as stud arc welding. Let us move to the content right away. So, as this is also a specialized welding process, mainly this type of welding process is used for attaching handles to cookware, to make heat radiating fins in machinery, etc. This type of welding is widely used. Now, why it is a specialized welding process? It's a specialized welding process for joining stud or some threaded fasteners or similar components to another part, usually a flat plate. So it's a specialized welding process for joining studs, threaded fasteners, or similar components to another part, usually a flat plate. And how this heat for welding is obtained? Here also an electric arc is used to heat the component to be welded. So that is why it is called a stud arc welding. An electric arc is established to heat the components to be welded. And here, you may please note that the stud, as I mentioned just now, the stud, sorry, the stud acts as a one of the electrode, and the other components serve as the other electrode. What does it mean? The stud, which may be a small part or more commonly a threaded rod or a hanger or a handle, that serves as one of the electrodes, while that being joined to another component which is usually a flat plate. Now the different material can be welded. Aluminum can be welded, steel can be welded using this process. And if you are going to use the aluminum, then what would be the heat, the source, electric source. The polarity for aluminum is usually DCEP, direct current electrode positive, and for if it is steel, it is DCEN, direct current electrode negative. Okay, and another important information I would like to share with you is, in order to concentrate the heat generated, I told you with the help of an electric arc, this heat is once the electric arc is established, that is used to heat the components to be welded, right? So in order to concentrate the heat generated and to prevent oxidation and to retain the molten metal in the weld zone, you can see, look at the picture, you can see a disposable ceramic ring which is popularly known as ferrule. Look at the ceramic ferrule is placed around the joint. Look at the disposable ceramic ferrule which is placed around the joint. So why it is? In order to retain the molten metal in the weld zone and to prevent oxidation and to concentrate the heat generated, this ferrule is very important. It's ceramic. And also, as I told you, this is mainly used for attaching handles to cookware, heat radiating fins in machinery, etc. And again, this equipment, the stud arc welding equipment the equipment for stud welding can be automated with various controls for arcing and for applying pressure. And the portable stud welding equipment is also available. And another commonly known stud welding process is called as capacitor discharge stud welding. So I just would like to share with you, no need to go deep into it, it's just a content beyond curriculum. So another commonly called stud welding process is the capacitor discharge stud welding process, and here a DC arc is produced from a capacitor bank. Okay, that's all. Thank you.